Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my monthly Ipsy unbagging. This is for the month of March and it just came in the mail yesterday, I believe, and I just got it today. I just had time to go down there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. If you're not sure what Ipsy is, it is a subscription service where you get 4 to 5, sometimes every once in a while you get like 6 products, and they're awesome. Ooh, I like the bag. They're awesome products that you can get in here. Makeup, skincare, hair care, just a bunch of different things, and it's a lot of fun. Like I said, it's $10 a month, and I will have a link down below that you can use. And this is what the bag looks like for the month of March. How cute is this? It's like black and white illustrations, and it's got a pink ribbon tie and zipper, and it feels like this nice canvas material. This is so cute. The shape of the bag is kind of strange. Like, I don't feel like mine is perfectly straight how it's supposed to be. It feels like it kind of goes like this a little bit or something, some weird angle, but it is so cute. It's little people on there. I love that. And then I did redeem some points, so I got the Derma E anti-wrinkle scrub with vitamin A and glycolic acid. So I have this here to use. And when you review your products on Ipsy, then you can get, obviously, points so that you can redeem them for products. And I thought that I had redeemed 2, so maybe one's hiding in the bag. But let's go ahead and open this up. So inside, okay, it's got a nice tag inside. It says Ipsy X PC Wit. There's a tag for you. So it's a collab that they did. And the card this month says Create Ipsy March 2018. And it's just got some illustrations on it. The back says, this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt. Write. It's time to create your masterpiece. Need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. It is, it's coloring book inspired. We've included 2 markers. Ooh, 2 markers. But feel free to use any colors as you like to help unleash the artist within. Share your creation on social and tag @Ipsy and #IpsyCreate for a chance to be featured on Ipsy.com. And then it tells you to go to their website for more inspiration. So I am excited. The 2 marker colors that I got are green and orange. Green is my favorite color, so I'm excited about that. And they just say Ipsy Create on the side of them. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that, but I'm assuming you can just use like regular markers or permanent markers to color this. I am so excited. I know what I'm gonna do later today. So the first product in here is from Hikari, and it's a cream pigment, and it says it is in Shine. And let's see if I can open it though. There's not like a tab. There it goes. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It just looks like a cream shadow. It's kind of this nice kind of bronzy gold color. Very smooth, very creamy. Feels kind of like ColourPop. Their Super Shock shadows, maybe a little bit creamier. It's got amazing pigmentation. Look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh, I love that. And even like the neck swatches just to get off my hand or off my finger. That's pretty. I like that. Good job, Hikari. Next up, from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, I have a baked highlighter, and I got a highlighter last month. I have it in my bag actually. I've been using it. It's a very subtle pink highlighter, and this is what it looks like. It's from Luna. It's very pretty, but it's very, very subtle. So there it is on my finger, and I'll just swatch it on the side right there. Very subtle, very pretty. The brush, I feel like, doesn't pick it up as well as it could, so let's see what this highlighter looks like. I'm not used to getting like 2 highlighters back to back, and this is another pink highlighter. So here's last month's and here's this month's. I guess this month's is a little more pink than last month's. I'm sorry guys, I'm fighting another head cold and I'm super congested, so I sound and I feel kind of crummy. But this is this month's, the DLS, Dirty Little Secret, and then this one is last month's. So It looks more like a very pale blush with shimmer in it to me. Kind of like a purpley undertone actually. But I'll go ahead and swatch it. It is definitely a lot lighter and a lot more cool tone than last month's. Very pretty. I will give it a go. We'll see how well it picks up on a brush. It is baked, so you could potentially use a wet brush to put it on with, but I guess it's just personal preference. And then the next thing I received is from Glossier, I'm not sure how you say that, but I've been seeing this brand all over social media, and this is a coconutbalm.com universal skin salve. So I guess you can use it on like chapped areas or dry areas. And I do have a little bit of smell, sense of smell, and it does smell like coconut. Ooh, and it feels really nice. It's a very thick balm, but I like it. Can always use some lip balm type products. Next up, I received from Scone Cosmetics. It's a large shadow brush. Oops, and I did not realize that it had that on it. I didn't realize that it was like taped shut, so I tried to push it through. This is a really interesting brush. It's very, very fat. I've never seen such a wide brush. But that would be really good because it's really kind of like a concealer brush almost. So that would work really well with that cream pigment. So that is cool. I've never owned a Scone brush before, so I'm excited. Love receiving brushes. And then the last product that I received is teeny tiny, and it's from Tarte, and it's their Sex Kitten eyeliner, I believe. It's so small. Look at this. It's just a black liner, and it's a pencil line, and I'm just going to, it's hard to grip. Like, my hands are not that big, but this is a tiny product. I wonder, no, you can't even put the cap on to make it longer. It's a nice black. I would probably use it for my tight line. So yeah, that is all the products that I received in this month's Ipsy bag. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring this in. So excited about this. This is beautiful. I love this idea. So if you want to see the completed project, the completed artwork, then check out my Instagram. I will be uploading pictures on there, so go make sure you check it out. There is a link down below, and the handle is greeneyedbeauty90. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me down below what you guys received in your bag, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back, she said shut up and dance with me.